Cool. Yep. Hey guys, welcome to DoraHacks and aelf grant project demo session. This is Steve from DoraHacks. Happy to host another amazing 5 projects presentation today. You'll be expecting participants of the aelf grant. And there are a lot of really cool projects participated. We have selected the best of them to come introduce themselves today. From my understanding, this is a $80,000 hackathon. There are a lot of interesting prizes. There are a lot of interesting grants to be provided, to be split among different teams. And teams have been building around different sectors in the Web3 space. There's NFT projects, GameFi, DeFi, DAO-related projects, infrastructure-level projects, building on different fronts. So very keen to know what they have been building in the past few months in the grant, and what are they up to? What are their future roadmaps? So the five projects participating today are Salsa Valley Game. Hi, Julie.
Hi.
Yeah, and there's AwakenSwap, a decentralized finance platform. There's NFT Forest. Stephen will be presenting on behalf of the team. Hi, Stephen.
Hi.
Awesome. There's 2 other projects, Sane Zone and Energy 8. I think they will be joining us shortly afterwards. So yeah, without further ado, each team will have 15 minutes to present. I guess it will be great for you to present the deck, the background of the team for 10 to 12 minutes, and leave 3 to 5 minutes to present your demo if your demo is ready. So yeah, take your time, and you're good to go. I think, Julie, you're the first. Salsa Valley, welcome.
Thank you. I'll share my screen. Share screen. Do you see my screen? Do you see the screen? Do you see the screen?
Not yet. I think you can try it.
And now?
Yep. Can you present the deck?
Yeah. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yeah. We're already seeing your screen.
Okay. So, and now you see the another window of the presentation. Yeah.
Yeah. It's good. Good to go.
Okay.
There you go.
Hello everybody. I'm Julia. I'm the financier and investor and the co-founder of our great project Salsa Valley Metaverse. And well, here we go. This is the small intro. We have developed an entire ecosystem that has its own infrastructure, which I'll talk about in more details later. And firstly, I want to introduce the story of this system, of this project. The story of the Salsa Valley starts in Mexico, and it's like the Crypto Valley, like the Silicon Valley, as you can compare, but just in a parallel universe where the leaf vegetables, the ingredients of the hot and spicy salsa sauce. And all of them, all the characters, are the characters of the animated cartoon series about the realities of the crypto world, which we called Salsa Valley Stories. We already released 2 episodes, and the third one will be in 1 month. The first, each ingredients are the live action cartoon character, and they are also the NFT tokens. and their characters in the future game. All of their items, objects, and real estates are also their NFTs too. We already have a community that believed in us and several partners. Now I'll introduce the game more. Firstly, we decided not to stop just at the ecosystem and NFT tokens, but to create a board game also and an NFT game, and not just a game, but we desired and we created their entire universe. The world has been taken over by the metaverses, and a lot of the projects have appeared in this period, in this direction, and our universe we called Mooniverse. Why? Because every crypto enthusiast, every crypto investor, every project creator, every token, etc., aspires to go to the moon, and I think you will agree with me. The main idea of our game is the difference and the advantage of our metaverse is the ability to interact with different blockchain networks such as aelf, BSC, Ethereum, and others, projects, different games, and any other metaverses. Participants can play Salsa Valley diversity or game mechanics and also move between blockchains, games, and metaverses itself. Salsa Valley Metaverse, like it opens the gates, like the portals to the endless of the crypto world's projects and so on. And we want as many people as possible who come to the crypto market. They learn and earn in our game and have an opportunity to communicate with any representative of the crypto world through just one click, like the handshake. I think you know what I mean. And imagine that every participant of the game could become a character of one of the next episodes of the animated series. As I think that a lot of people want to become like the actor, but in this new way. How our game interacts with Salsa Valley and the community. Salsa Valley.com is the main place, and as I told, this is the unique place in Mexico. This is the crypto platform which unite together crypto enthusiasts, NFT creators, NFT collectors, lovers of hot salsa sauce, meme fans, 2D and 3D animators, gamers, and just those who just love to joke and laugh. And it has its own ecosystem and different products. And the first one is Salsa token. This is the meme token, but not only. This is the full-fledged coin. This is the native token for this whole ecosystem. And it is the coin for the community, and it will be used in this Salsa Valley ecosystem at all. The ecosystem consists of the animated cartoon series about realities of the crypto world, the meme crypto news portal, crypto voting and market cap platform for new coins, board game, Metaverse NFT game, NFT collection, partnerships with charity funds and Mexican food restaurants, and partnership with salsa sauce makers to produce it under our international trademark in the future. And these are our audience. As you can see here, here we collect everybody who can maybe work and interact on this market. The creators, animators, crypto enthusiasts, influencers, bloggers, blockchain communities, gamers, players, NFT collectors, traders, metaverses, play to earn NFT and game fee projects, all of them. We have a lot of diversity of play to earn. Firstly, we have several types of participants in our Metaverse game. They are several types. For example, the blockchain networks. project founders, investors, players itself, influencers, creators, bloggers, and so on. And they will have multiple types of play to earn mechanics. They will be able to create, to explore and trade the virtual crypto world owned by its users, sale of land, offices, and real estate, selling of avatars and items. They can develop them and sell more expensive, rental property, advertising, tournament prices, daily player achievements, content views, networking, business meetings and partnerships, creating infrastructure, art objects, houses, offices, and indoor functionality in spaces. And it's limited just by their imagination. And how it works. Look at this slide, please. It shows thousands of times smaller layouts of blockchain networks territories. You can see here and here and here, such as Binance Smart Chain, such as from the form of caves, Ethereum in the form of Pyramid of Maya, and aelf, for example, in the form of lakes in OASIS in the valley. These territories will contain representative offices of projects such as Dora, you can see here. And by the way, you can see here the layout of your office, which will be used in our board game. I think you see it, and I hope you like it. Also, we have here the NFT marketplaces like the Vault token, Vault Tower, the skyscraper of the Vault token marketplace, the Babylons, the Gigian, and so on. The offices of influencers such as Pesla. I think you can imagine who is the owner of this building. The private houses, the apartments of crypto enthusiasts, parks, concert halls, markets, stadiums, and portals, the gateways to other metaverses and blockchain games. And how all of them interact. For example, the first step, we make a partnership with the blockchain. Recently, we've already done it with the legacy network. Allocate to it a certain part of land with plots on it, and the team of the blockchain becomes the moderator on this land. The blockchain team has a percentage from each plot sold on this land. So it is interested in advertising these plots to its partners of projects built on the blockchain, because this is the development of this territory and also their profit. A project buys land or completed building. Each building is assigned a link address. The project can turn to a concierge service that will help it with everything, such as providing it creators to create the outside and inside of the building. It creates a virtual world inside its building to interact with the audience as it sees fit. This will only be limited by the imagination or technical capabilities in their technology, and this project will also be able to redirect to its own game metaverse. This is like the type of Dora factory, like the project founders and project itself. And project shares its link with its community. It can use this office like the hub, like the representative, to share their any news, information, to interact with the community. Users follow the link to the Salsa Valley and interact with the content the project create. The project can also buy user traffic within the ecosystem from bloggers, influencers, etc. for Salsa tokens inside the metaverse game. End user, the player, getting to the project office area can interact with the content outside of the office, advertising banners and so on. Inside the office, where they interact with the internal based on Salsa Valley, or external, move to a partner metaverse, for example, to Sandbox or so on. Also, player will be able to play all over the Salsa Valley in our own game mechanics, such as attractions and casinos and so on, and take part in a team and individual tournaments and leagues, boost their characters, etc. And they will be able to get Salsa also as a profit. For its part, the Salsa Valley development team will be added interactivity and motivation for content creators and users to make it interesting using their metaverse inside. And who are we looking for and our roadmap and charity? We are looking for partners and a team with which we can together create our universe, our metaverse much faster. We will launch will release the new episodes of our animated series, the heroes of which will be also our partners, our project. We will hold the INO events with our partners, NFT marketplaces, launch of a large-scale advertising campaign, release of a board game. You can see the small videos here. This is the prototype we were testing, and it is tested now. Launch and development and release of the NFT Metaverse game, charity program, a partnership with the Mexican restaurants and salsa sauce makers, and the main long-term goal is to release the full-length animated film, animated cartoon, in the cooperation with one of the well-known animation studios to promote the game, just like the Pixelar or another one. And this is our light in the nearest future. And welcome to our Salsa Metaverse. Get fun and be prepared. And we will be glad to see everybody in our ecosystem. And now I just want to show you the 30 seconds of our first episode, and who is interested in it can see the full story, so the full stories on our YouTube TV. I got the thought. I think I made the sauce. I got the sauce. I am the sauce. Okay. Don't tell me you've tasted anything like this. Don't tell me you. This fire. I got the recipe. Hit 100 degrees. My love. I got the sauce. I'm ready.
Thank you, Julia. And I heard that Salsa Valley is from Mexico, right?
The story is from Mexico, but the founders are from Ukraine.
Great.
But you have teams in different countries, and it's not just the Ukraine, it's not just the Russian-speaking countries, it's also the Europe and Mexico itself, but the founders are from here.
Yeah, great. Very interesting to know this project and thanks for your amazing presentation. And
Any questions about the project itself?
I think we have running a bit out of time, so maybe we will skip this part for now. Thank you, Julia, again for your deck and presentation. Okay, let's welcome our second presenter today. That's AwakenSwap. Wiki from AwakenSwap. Are you ready now?
Okay.
Okay. So please go on.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the demo presentation of AwakenSwap. I'm Wiki, the CMO of AwakenSwap. Today, I will bring you a brief of AwakenSwap. Let's start. First, let's go to the introduction part. What is AwakenSwap? AwakenSwap is a decentralized finance platform deployed on the aelf blockchain, and in the future, it will be deployed on BSC and ETH. And why we choose AwakenSwap? Traditional DeFi platforms mainly focus on a single financial service, exchange or lending. Well, it is not efficient enough since the liquidity is not fully utilized. To solve this problem, AwakenSwap utilizes the idle assets from exchange to develop the lending market, comprising decentralized exchange driven by the AMM algorithm and over collateralized lending protocol. Here, AMM stands for Automated Market Maker. AwakenSwap optimizes and the allocation of assets inflows and maximize the efficiency of assets utilization, therefore further increasing the return on investment of liquidity providers to compensate for the impermanent loss potentially faced by them. Meanwhile, AwakenSwap provides a series of rewarding programs, which are yield farming, lending subsidies, trading contest rewards, and the dividend pool, to build an inclusive DeFi ecosystem that benefits all participants on the platform. Then, let's talk about how to swap. To be a trader, all you need to do is to connect your DeFi wallet to AwakenSwap with some aelf as the gas fees. Then you are free to swap cryptocurrencies as long as they are supplied by our LPs. Now let's talk about AMM mechanism and the impermanent loss. As I said, AMM stands for Automated Market Maker. As an AMM, AwakenSwap distributes liquidity uniformly along the constant product function x times y equals k, where x and y are the respective quantities of the two tokens that LPs supply, and k is a constant. That means the change of the price of the two tokens will automatically adjust the quantities of the two tokens, and as a consequence, cause impermanent losses to LPs. And how AwakenSwap does the compensation for impermanent loss. To compensate LPs for the impermanent losses, AwakenSwap develops a DeFi lending protocol, Awaken Lending, which utilizes the idle assets in the liquidity pool to create passive income for LPs. In addition, the yield farming program with high APYs and the longest yield period among the DeFi platforms provide LPs with extra rewards in our platform token. Here we have the Awaken Lending, the DeFi lending protocol. Awaken Lending is a DeFi lending protocol based on the over-collateralized lending model. In the beginning, there will be several token markets on Awaken Lending, including USDC, USD, ETH, etc. We will collect the demands of users and then expand the token market. The assets in the Awaken Lending market come from three paths: liquidity from LPs on AwakenSwap, deposits from suppliers, and the collaterals from borrowers. For suppliers in the lending market, the assets they deposit in and any token pool will directly serve as the lending funds. For borrowers, they need to pledge a token in the corresponding token pool as the collateral in order to borrow another token, and the collaterals they provide will also be a part of the lending fund. In this way, LP and borrowers are also suppliers. The last thing I want to talk about today is the dividend pool. First, what is the dividend pool? In order to better encourage investors to support the platform, AwakenSwap set up a dividend system for token holders and will transfer 80% of our daily income from the exchange service in form of USDT into the dividend pool and distribute it to the holders. And who can earn the dividends? Token holders who stake their tokens into the dividend pool are all eligible to collect the dividends on a daily basis. There is no participants threshold for the pool. At last, how much can I learn from the dividends? The total amount in the dividend pool is the cumulative amount of 80% of Awaken's daily income from swap fees. The dividends that holders can get each day are calculated in real time based on the share of pledged funds. Now, let's move to the questions section. Do you have any questions regard to AwakenSwap? All right, here we have a question. The question is, why do you think AwakenSwap will be better than other DeFi projects? All right, here we have a question. Oh, like I said, AwakenSwap develops a lending protocol and then we can compensate the impermanent losses. Also, the token holders can get dividends from the dividend pool. These two main advantages will attract users to play with AwakenSwap. Thanks for watching the demo presentation today. If you have any questions, you can join the Telegram groups of AwakenSwap and ask in the groups. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Wiki from AwakenSwap. Can I raise a question from myself?
Okay.
Okay, so since you are joining aelf Hackathon, do you think aelf have some certain features that attracted you to join its ecosystem?
Pardon?
Okay. So let me make it simple. So what do you think of aelf blockchain?
We tried on the aelf blockchain, and I think aelf blockchain is more is better, and in the sorry. I think aelf blockchain is the blockchain's future.
The blockchain's future? Wow, that's a very great compliment. So yeah, thanks Wiki. Amazing presentation today, and looking forward to see you in following hackathons on DoraHacks. So let's welcome. Thank you. Let's welcome next presenter from NFT Forest. So is Stefan from NFT Forest ready? Hi,
Yeah,
Stefan.
I'm ready.
Okay, so please start.
Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone, this is Stephen from NFT Forest. I'm very glad to meet you all. I'll start with the most important questions. What is NFT Forest? NFT Forest is an NFT marketplace that connects artists, project owners, and collectors This supports ERC 721 and ERC 1155 standards. Anyone can explore and discover new values in this NFT forest. So I can say that NFT Forest is the most suitable NFT marketplace for creators. You can create and sell your first NFT there. As far as we know, some excellent graphic designers sometimes use their spare time to plan. If they want to try to create their works as NFTs, but due to the high fees of OpenSea and less knowledge of cryptocurrency market, they have not been able to realize this idea. NFT Forest is committed to meaning and helping these outstanding digital art stars realize their values. The features of NFT Forest is shown for 3 points as below. First is low fees for creating NFTs in NFT Forest. For example, Oscar wants to create his paintings as an ERC 721 NFT in OpenSea, and he needs to pay in ETH, which is much too high for him. Sooner he found that NFT Forest only needs to pay a small amount to create it and with one click without any coding. The second feature I want to talk about is flexible transaction method. Still talking Oscar as example, when Oscar's NFT was created in NFT Forest, he was not sure of the market value of his NFT artwork. At this time, he can use a price cut auction to test, and finally, his first NFT was sold. NFT Forest provides a variety of transaction methods such as dump auction, British auction, buying piece, and offers to meeting the transaction needs of different NFTs. The third is personalization. When Oscar saw several NFT works on NFT Forest, he found that his works has great market potential, and he also owned a lot of loyal fans. His fans put forward many ideas for his works. He started to create NFTs that meet their needs. While expanding the market for his own works, so he added a user custom entry on collection page and set papers, balance amount, and latest delivery days. At this time, when users browse the Oscar NFT collection page, they will see the button Request Item in the upper right corner. After clicking, they can enter the customs page. The process design of the NFT customization function is as follows. First, customs put forward customization requirements on the custom requirements page and paste the pressed deposit. Second, when the creator sees a request in the custom service request list, it can accept the order and start timing. Third, the creator will be put on syllabus within a limited time, and the deposit will be received after listing. Fourth, if the customer is not satisfied, don't even need to pay the balance. Okay, here comes for game developers. You would notice that in the end of 20 and 21, GameFi is in the hit. If you are a GameFi developer or developer of other project, you would notice that you are come to NFT Forest to create a collection for the game. Due to the low fees of creating NFT protocol NFT Forest, you can easily create collections for game and set passports, collectors, weapons and equipment, pens, skins, and so on. As the NFT collectors, NFT Forest provides a simple and user-friendly operation interface for GameFi. If you want to start using NFT Forest, the only thing you need to do just is link your wallet to start NFT transaction without doing anything. If you have other ideas about the price of NFT, you can send an offer to the owner. Select Make Offers to co-op the offer page. Enter the price and time to complete the bid on the bid page. And you will see the offer price and by other wallet addresses. When NFT collectors want to sell NFTs, when you want to sell NFT you own, you can sell the NFT you want to sell in the personal center. Click Sell to bring up the pricing page, and you need to select the type of token to pay. Come and enter the price. The default selling time is 6 months. But don't forget that family listing price includes royalties and service fees. Of course, if you want to transfer NFT to others for free, you can click Transfer, fill in the wallet address of the other client on the transfer page to complete the gift. Okay, NFT Forest is still under development and we still have many ideas and plans. If you have good ideas and suggestions, please contact us. Okay, any comment, any questions? Let me pick one.
Yeah, I think the guys are very interested in NFT.
Yeah.
One of the hottest topics in 2021. So thanks for your amazing presentation, Stephen.
Okay.
I just want to know if how about the launch of this product? Is it already launched online or is just in internal test?
Oh, well, it's still under development, and we just very work hard to make it. Just I want to figure out I have any time to answer a question from others.
Yeah, I think you can have 2 to 3 more minutes to answer the questions. So let's see.
I found one. There's a question.
Okay.
Why did you name it Forest? Yeah, I thought it's interesting. It's an interesting question. Let's talk about the name. I personally like the name of forest because there are always unknowns and explorations in the forest, and so is the NFT world. You will meet all kinds of works, some beautiful, some strange, and even some weird. But these are the reasons why we like NFT and we like the forest. So I picked the name. It named Forest. Okay, I finished it.
Okay. Okay, so thanks again for the presentation, Stephen. Yeah, good to go. And let's welcome the next team from Saint Zone. So is Annie from Saint Zone ready? Hi, Annie. You're mute, I think. Please unmute yourself.
Hello. Hi.
Hello, welcome, Annie. Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, so let's get started. Hi. Can you hear me clear?
Yeah, everything's perfect.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Annie. I'm the PR manager of Syndrome. And it's such a pleasure to be here and present to you guys our game. And we're planning to launch our game on air for the top of OASIS, the Hackathon. And today I'm going to walk you through our game by the aid of this deck. Let's get started. I would like to begin with the question, what is Syndrome? Syndrome is a Diablo-style ARPG game, and the stories are based on the European mythology. And we also apply the blockchain technology, and the game allows players to enjoy an immersive game experience, and the players can also earn ample rewards. And the mechanism we are emphasizing is play and earn and enjoy. Now we are moving to the background, the gaming world. The story happens 1,000 years ago. There were magic creatures and human beings. Human beings went through a series of difficulties, challenges like a pandemic and a war. And finally, they became the ruler of the city of permanence. And here begins your story. After a few seconds, I'm going to show you guys our game trailer. I hope you guys can have a direct and a visual input of our game. Here it comes. Hope you enjoy it. And now we are looking at the Syndrome highlights. We have 4 points. We provide epic 3D production, and this game is available in multi-platforms. And the players can have excellent gameplay, and the robust economic system is introduced in our game. And the core game mechanism, like the grand dungeon exploration, hero power enhancement, equipment collection and creation, PvE missions to acquire rewards, PvP combined to challenge others, and the guild mission and battles to play with the primates. As I mentioned in my first page, the game highlights that its convergence of blockchain technology. So the core elements of blockchain technology are reflected in our game, like the decentralized in the money revenue, DeFi P2P exchange, DAO, like a decentralized autonomous organization. It's known as our in-game currency. Now we are moving to the next part. I'm going to show you guys another video on gameplay and a graphic. Hope you guys can enjoy it. Thank you. Okay, wait a minute. So this part is about gameplay, the hero collection and progression, and we developed 6 heroes, and each of them has up to 17 skills and other talents, which leads to different combat styles and effects. About the gear collection and enhancement, the different gears have different attributes, and you can acquire them by completing missions, forging and trading. Players can create their own gear matching scheme. And the gems include ordinary gems and original ore, and players can enhance strengths and obtain the unique passive effect of the original ore. Let's move to the monster combatant collection. We are equipped with a collection of more than 90 monsters. Killing monsters will light up your hunting log and you can gain rewards. The mercenary have different combat abilities which can be matched up with heroes to obtain stronger combat effectiveness. Player versus environment, we have 4 gameplays. They are campaign, bounties, dungeon, and dark rifts. We can learn about the story of Saint-Rome in campaign, and the bounties are refreshed every day. Boss challenging missions for multiplayer team will bring players various resources, crafting material, more powerful equipment. Dungeon multiplayer team dungeons for more gems, higher level, and gameplay styles. And the dark rifts are the advanced level of dungeon exploration. Regarding players versus players, players can use their hero for quick battle for fun or ranking battle with other players. Players with high ranks will acquire special glory and generous rewards in the end of the ranking season. In the aspect of social system, we have 3 modes. You can play with your friends by live chat. You can also invite your friends into squad for better cooperation and guild. Offer guild requests and redeemable game essentials in the guild shop and governance. Now we are looking at the play rewards, and the gold coins are exchangeable, and the platform release a fixed amount of tokens in a fixed period. And the remaining part of the ACE zone will be transferred to the DAO contract. Now we are viewing the roadmap. Our ultimate goal is to launch our game in the global gaming platforms and social fi platform. I hope that can be in your witness. In the end, the people behind the scene come into the stage. They are Malvin, Bo, Eric. I would like to extend our gratitude to this core team, this capable person with solid knowledge reservation on blockchain and gaming industry. Thanks to them, we can enjoy this excellent game. And my presentation is about to end, and I hope you guys can have a better understanding what is Syndrome. And now you feel free to ask me any questions. Thank you, guys. Any questions?
I think maybe some.
Okay, so, new comments. So what is the biggest advantage of Syndrome? As you can see, we do have many advantages. Personally, I think the biggest one lies in the blockchain technology. It's innovative and it's avant-garde. Thanks for your interest. And that's my answer. Thank you. Okay, I think my time is up here, and thanks for listening.
Yes,
and,
thank you,
bye.
Annie.
Bye.
And bye. Let's move to the next project, which is Energy 8. Hi.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, feel free to start when you're ready.
Okay, I think we are ready.
Yes, we are totally ready.
So my name is Julia, and I am Energy 8 speaker. And I'm with Evgeny, who's going to help me today.
Hello,
So,
guys.
okay, let's move on to the project. We don't have a lot of time, so I will briefly represent everything. Energy 8, what is it about? First of all, like in 2017, we started as a group of people, like 8 enthusiasts, and we all were working different jobs. Somebody was like trading, mining, developing, whatever, but we all loved video games. So this idea united all of us. Of course, after time, our team changed. Some people left, some people came to our team, and so we decided to make a project which can connect blockchain and online video games. So this is what our project is about. As you know, play to earn is very popular and trendy right now. And we started it all even before the trend. And the main idea is that they have the unique technology. It's not just a game. As you know, now there are a lot of games on blockchain, but they are not good developed. Actually, they don't even look good. So we have a technology. With this technology, you can play any popular like server game, whatever you like, Minecraft, GTA 5, Rust, or whatever, and earn. Like play to earn, you can earn our token, EA token. So this is the main idea of the project. It's a bridge. Of course, we'll have farming and staking soon. We'll see it on our website, which we're going to represent later. And we're going to have NFT marketplace. All the items in the games, they can be NFT, so you can sell them or buy, trade, whatever on our marketplace. We have active community. We love our community. They're supportive, sometimes funny, and we have already around 2,000 of holders. In our achievements, I would say we already took part in hackathons. In Binance Smart Chain, we were top 10 projects. We had 8th place, and we won Polygon Grand Hackathon and Cell Hackathon. So this is briefly about the project, and let's move on to the demonstration. Let's see how our website works. Our website is energy8.io. So yeah, let's move on. Evgeny, are you ready?
Yes, sure. Now you should see my screen, right?
Yeah, we see.
Okay. So guys, first of all, I want to demonstrate our website and our pitch deck document, which is available on, link to this is available on our website. So later you can read our pitch deck and get more information about our project. Now I want to focus on our website. So as you see, here we have links to our bridge functionality, bridge application, marketplace, staking and farming will be available soon. We're on finish stage of developing this functionality. And now in other window, you can see our it's really live Minecraft server. You can see that a lot of players are online right now. So, and now I want to demonstrate how to deposit and how to withdraw your earnings with our bridge functionality, bridge application. So first of all, you should register on our Minecraft server and get your nickname. You can choose any available nickname in this game. So then you can go to bridge application, and here you can see two links, deposit and withdraw. If you choose deposit, you can type your nickname. Oops, I'm sorry, wrong language. So this is my nickname in this game. And as soon as you connect your wallet, for this moment I have MetaMask with an Automatic and our token E8. So you can put any available amount of E8, for example, 1000. And as you can see, I will get $1 play dollar in Minecraft. So then I will press the deposit button. So this application will connect my MetaMask wallet, and I will confirm this transaction. So please return to game. And now you see that $1 is added to my account. That's absolutely automatically. So this application connects to our self-developed smart contracts, which integrates with Minecraft server. So in Minecraft, now I can check my new balance. As you see, I have $8,201, and I can spend this money for some resources, for armor, for weapon or another things. I can go to auction to buy something from other players and so on. And in case I need to withdraw my earnings from game, I go to withdraw tab. So this is my, as you see, this is my nickname. So, and as you see, this application connects to Minecraft because this is the same balance, 8,201, and we see the same number here. So I want to withdraw, for example, 1,000. And I need to generate some code. So you can see that I have a special message. So I have pin code 5, 5, and 8, and 7, and 4, and 8 again. Oops, something goes wrong. Five and 5 and 8 and 7 and 4 and 8 again. So now we have wallet integration. Yes, and as you can see, this bonus $1 has been taken from my account. So as I told you before, we're also developing our in-house marketplace where you can see NFT and then put this NFT to gameplay. For example, it's Minecraft swords and other armor, for example. We also have plans for staking. Oops, I'm sorry, that's not finished yet. Yep, that's not finished yet. Sorry for this. So we also have plans for staking farming when you can put some amount of EA tokens to stake it, or you can add pair with EA tokens with, for example, Matic token to farm, to eel farm. And we also have a lot of another plans to communicate with other games like GTA multiplayer, with our in-house developed game Hamsters, and any other games. So I return the mic to Julia and let her to finish our demonstration.
Okay. So I will say, like, at the end, what we get. Our technology can be implemented to any online server game As you could see, it's already working in Minecraft. Now it's developing in GTA 5. Also, we're going to have our own game, Energy Hamsters. It's underway. This game will be available on Apple Store and Google Play. Also, in our community, we ask like which games the community want to see, and depends on what. Maybe we will implement our technology in other games. So we are focusing on, of course, development, growing, and of course, after we have the product, we're thinking about marketing and funding and whatever. And Metaverse is very popular now, so will be Metaverse in Minecraft, in GTA 5. As you can see, you can sell, trade, buy the items as NFTs. So this is the main part of our project, and I think now we can move on to questions if somebody has some. And of course, do your own research. Check our Telegram group. If you have any questions, you can ask us or community. It's very helpful and always can answer any of your questions. So let's see if we have any questions now.
Okay. Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, we do.
Great, great. Sorry, I was offline several minutes ago. So yeah, it's super cool, this project. And you can check the comments section, and there are a lot of viewers. They're like super excited to watch your amazing presentation. Well done, guys. Julia and Evgene. So I have a question here. So many viewers here, they mentioned GTA 5. So is GTA series inspired this Energy 8 game?
Maybe we don't understand what you mean in between GTA series.
Inspired.
Okay. So it's a car racing game, sort of, right?
GTA 5?
Yes, yes. Many of the viewers mentioned GTA
Yeah,
5.
yeah. This is a very popular game. It's a huge game. There you can work as a taxi driver, drug dealer, or whatever, and you can earn the money in the game. So like the game tokens, and of course you can use the bridge as we showed before, and you can put it on your wallet. So you can work in a game and like play to earn and have cash in real life. You know.
Great, great. So let's talk about your next steps. So what are you going to do in 2022?
Now we have online beta test in Minecraft, so the next one will be GTA 5. Later, we're going to launch our own game, Energy Hamsters, as I said, Apple Store and Google Play. Also, we're looking on other games, probably later. NFT Marketplace, going to work. Metaverse Minecraft, Metaverse GTA 5. Of course, we're wishing for growing community, marketing companies, listings. You know the deal.
Great, great. People are speaking Russian in the comment section, but I don't understand Russian. So if you want to answer any of the comments, feel free to go.
I see the question about airdrop. No, we don't do airdrop now. We did some from the start. First, we started as on Binance Smart Chain, but we decided that it doesn't suit us. We started in May in 2021. And we quickly moved to Polygon because it's faster, transactions are cheaper. So yeah, when we moved on, we had some airdrop, but for now, no airdrops. Where can I get more information about this project? You can go to our website, energy.io. You can go to Telegram, our group called Energy8ENG, short for English, you know. So yeah, you can go there. You can talk to us. You can ask the community any questions you have. You can buy the token on QuickSwap. It's on Polygon Matic or an exchange P2P, B2B.
Great. I think it's time time is up for now. So thank you, NGA team, for joining this hackathon and Project M. Oh, also congratulations for gaining the first place in Polygon Grand Hackathon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
On the leaderboard. Yeah, and very nice to see you again in aelf Hackathon. So looking forward to see you guys next time. And thanks for your time today. Well done, guys.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
Dora.
much.
Thank
And
you.
have a great day. And everybody have a great day too.